Welcome to this mock and real U.S. citizenship interview simulation for 2025. If you're preparing for your N-400 Naturalization Interview with USCIS, this video will guide you step by step through the entire interview process, including the speaking test, reading and writing test, civics test, Part 9 vocabulary questions, personal background questions, and the oath ceremony. In this video, you'll experience a realistic interview with answers, so you'll know exactly what to expect on the day of your test. Whether you're worried about the 100 civics questions, the English test, or just want to practice how to respond confidently to an immigration officer, this full simulation will help you prepare and succeed. Stay tuned, practice along, and by the end of this video, you'll feel much more confident about passing your U.S. citizenship interview in 2025. Let's get started. Daniel Romero?
Yes, that's me.
Good afternoon. My name is Katarzyna, and I'll be conducting your naturalization interview today. It's a pleasure to meet you. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. Please follow me.
Okay.
You may place your belongings on the table and remain standing. Before we begin, I'll need to place you under oath. Could you please raise your right hand?
Sure.
Do you promise to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. You may put your hand down and have a seat.
Thank you.
Do you understand what you just promised?
Yes, I promise to tell the truth.
Very good. And do you understand what it means to take an oath?
Yes, it's a public promise to be truthful.
Okay. Please let me know if any of your answers have changed since you submitted your application. All right?
Okay.
How did you come here today?
My friend drove me here.
Did you have any trouble finding our location?
No, it was quite easy.
How was the traffic?
Not too bad, about the same as usual.
How's the weather today?
It's very nice, bright and sunny.
How long did you wait before I called you in?
Not too long, about 35 minutes.
Did you come here voluntarily today?
Yes, I did. I've been looking forward to this day.
Okay. Do you know why you are here today?
Yes, I'm here for my U.S. citizenship interview.
Do you have any physical or mental conditions that prevent you from understanding or answering the questions in the naturalization interview?
No, I do not.
Do you feel well prepared for your interview today?
Yes, I do.
Good. Would you like to use the restroom before we begin?
No, I'm fine. Thank you for asking.
If you don't understand a question, please don't hesitate to ask me to repeat or explain it. Is that okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Do you have any questions before we begin?
No, thank you.
All right. Are you ready to begin your interview?
Yes, I'm ready.
Great. Can you tell me why you want to become a U.S. citizen?
I want to become a U.S. citizen because I believe in the values of democracy, freedom, and opportunity that the United States represents. I'm also excited about having the right to vote in elections.
What does being a U.S. citizen mean to you personally?
It means having a voice in the country's future, being an active part of society, and ensuring a secure and stable future for my family.
Good. What is your full legal name?
My full legal name is Daniel Romero.
Have you ever used any other names?
Yes, I used the name Daniel Javier Romero, which is my birth name.
Is that the name on your green card?
Yes, the name on my green card is Daniel J. Romero.
Would you like to legally change your name?
No, I want to keep my current name.
What is your date of birth?
My date of birth is September 14, 1988.
Where were you born?
I was born in Córdoba, Argentina.
What is your country of nationality?
My nationality is Argentine.
What is your height and weight?
I am 5 feet 11 inches tall and weigh 175 pounds.
What color are your eyes and hair?
My eyes are brown, and my hair is black.
Okay. What is your current marital status?
I am married.
When did you get married?
I got married on June 10, 2018.
What is your spouse's full name?
My wife's full name is Sofia Romero.
When and where was she born?
She was born on January 5, 1991, in Rosario, Argentina.
Is your spouse a U.S. citizen?
Yes, she became a U.S. citizen on October 20, 2024.
Okay. Where do you currently live?
I live at 452 Oakwood Drive, Apartment 7C, Columbus, Ohio, zip code 43215.
How long have you lived there?
I have lived there since August 2022.
Do you rent or own your home?
We rent the apartment.
Who lives with you?
I live with my wife and our daughter.
What was your previous address?
My previous address was 119 Westfield Avenue, Apartment 2A, Chicago, Illinois, zip code 60616.
How long did you live there?
I lived there from May 2016 to July 2022.
What is your phone number?
My phone number is 614-555-2337. 2379.
What is your email address?
My email address is daniel.romero88@gmail.com.
Okay. Where do you work?
I work at Summit Engineering Group.
What is your job title?
I am a civil engineer.
How long have you worked there?
I have been working there since February 2020.
What is your office address?
The office is at 300 Innovation Parkway, Suite 210, Columbus, Ohio, 43215.
Where did you work before this job?
Before this, I worked at Cordoba Infrastructure Limited in Argentina as a project engineer.
When did you come to the United States?
I first came to the United States on January 12, 2017.
Where did you enter?
I entered through Miami International Airport.
Okay. What type of visa did you have when you entered?
I entered with an EB-3 job visa.
When did you become a permanent resident?
I became a permanent resident on April 3, 2019.
What is your alien registration number?
My alien registration number is A612-894-357.
Do you have a social security number?
Yes, my social security number is 529-846-721.
Do you have a driver's license?
Yes, I have an Ohio driver's license, number OH982345667, which will expire in September 2029.
Do you have any children?
Yes, I have one child.
What is your child's name and date of birth?
Her name is Isabella Romero, born on May 30, 2019, in Chicago, Illinois.
Is your child a U.S. citizen?
Yes, she is a U.S. citizen by birth.
What are your parents' names?
My father's name is Ricardo Romero, and my mother's name is Laura Romero.
Where do they live?
They both live in Cordoba, Argentina.
Are they U.S. citizens?
No, they are not U.S. citizens.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and Spanish.
Do you have a nickname?
Yes, my friends sometimes call me Danny.
Have you ever legally changed your name?
No, I have never legally changed my name.
What is your religion?
I am Catholic.
Okay. Are you a member of any organizations?
Yes, I am a member of the Latin American Engineers Association, in Ohio.
Since becoming a permanent resident, have you left the United States?
Yes, I have traveled abroad 4 times in the last 5 years.
Can you tell me about those trips?
Yes. My first trip was to Argentina, which was from February 8 to February 22, 2021. My second trip was to Spain, which was from July 14 to July 25, 2022. My third trip was to Brazil, from November 10th to November 20th, 2023. My last trip was to Argentina, which was from March 5th to March 18th, 2024.
Did any of your trips last more than 6 months?
No, none lasted for more than 6 months.
How many total days did you spend outside the U.S. in the past 5 years?
Approximately 50 days in total.
Did you always use your green card to re-enter the U.S.?
Yes, always.
Do you have a valid passport?
Yes, I have an Argentine passport, issued on June 1st, 2021, valid until June 2031.
Do you have citizenship in any other country?
No, only Argentina.
Have you ever been deported or denied entry to the United States?
No.
Are you a member of any clubs or organizations?
Yes, the Latin American Engineers Association.
Have you ever received a ticket or fine?
Yes, a speeding ticket in 2023, which I paid.
Do you obey U.S. laws?
Yes, always.
Do you file your taxes every year?
Yes, jointly with my wife.
Now we'll move on to the civics test. This part is about U.S. history, government, and some important principles of our Constitution. I'll ask you up to 10 questions, and you need to answer at least 6 correctly to pass. Please answer as clearly as you can. If you do not understand a question, tell me and I will repeat or explain it. Do you have any questions before we start?
No, officer.
Are you ready to begin?
Yes, officer. I am ready.
Okay. Please listen carefully to each question. What are the 2 parts of the U.S. Congress?
The Senate and House of Representatives.
Name one right only for United States citizens.
Vote in a federal election.
There are 4 amendments to the Constitution about who can vote. Describe one of them.
Citizens 18 and older can vote.
What are 2 rights in the Declaration of Independence?
Life. Liberty.
Under our Constitution, some powers belong to the states.
Provide schooling and education.
What do we call the first 10 amendments to the Constitution?
The Bill of Rights.
What is the name of the national anthem?
The Star-Spangled Banner.
What did the Declaration of Independence do?
Announced our independence from Great Britain.
In what month do we vote for president?
November.
The Federalist Papers supported the passage of the U.S. Constitution. Name one of the writers.
James Madison.
Great. You have passed the civics test.
Thank you.
Now, I will go through your N-400 application to verify everything is correct. And you filled up your application by fully understanding. These questions are very important because they help us determine your eligibility for U.S. citizenship. It is important that you answer honestly. Some of these questions may be about crimes, taxes, or organizations. Even if your answer is yes, it does not always mean you cannot become a citizen. But I need you to tell the truth. Remember, you are under oath. So, everything you say must be true. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
If you don't understand a question, please let me know, and I'll explain that. Okay?
Okay.
Since becoming a resident, have you called yourself a non-resident or not filed taxes?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever supported a dictatorship in the U.S. or your home country?
No, officer.
Have you ever tried to overthrow the U.S. government by unconstitutional means?
No.
Have you ever committed assault?
No, officer.
Have you ever been involved in kidnapping, assassination, hijacking, or sabotage?
No, I haven't.
What is assassination?
Killing an important person.
Have you ever taken part in torture?
No.
Have you ever stopped someone from practicing religion?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever harmed someone because of race, religion, origin, group, or opinion?
No, never.
Have you ever helped a group that used weapons?
No.
Have you ever been placed in jail or prison?
No. I have never been in jail or prison.
Have you ever sold or transport weapons?
No, officer.
Have you ever received weapons or military training? What is weapons training?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever committed a crime or broken the law but not been arrested?
No. I have never committed a crime or broken the law.
Have you ever been on probation, parole, or had a suspended sentence?
No.
Have you ever committed domestic violence, sexual assault, or child abuse?
No, never.
Have you ever helped someone to enter the U.S. illegally?
No. I have never helped anyone to enter the U.S. illegally.
Have you ever advocated the overthrow of any government in anywhere in the world by force or violence?
No, officer.
Are you unable to take the oath because of disability or mental condition?
No, I don't.
Are you willing to take the oath of allegiance?
Yes, officer. I am ready.
If required, will you do non-combatant services in the military?
Yes, absolutely.
If required, will you do work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes.
Do you owe any overdue taxes?
No.
Have you ever been part of the Communist Party or totalitarian group?
No, never.
Have you ever failed to pay your taxes?
No. I have always paid my taxes.
Can you please show me your tax return?
Yes. Here you go.
Thank you. Have you ever seriously injured or tried to injure anyone?
No.
Have you ever served in the military or police of another country? Have you ever worked in a prison or detention place? Have you ever been convicted of a crime or offense?
No. I have never been convicted of a crime or offense.
Have you ever been a prostitute or procured anyone for prostitution? What is procure?
No, officer.
Have you ever married someone only to get immigration benefits?
No. I have never married someone just to get an immigration benefit.
Have you ever been removed, excluded, or deported from the U.S.?
No, I have never been deported.
Have you ever lied to any U.S. government official to enter the United States?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever falsely claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
No, never.
Do you support the U.S. Constitution and government?
Yes, I do.
If required, will you bear arms for the U.S.?
Yes, I will.
Thank you for answering honestly. All your answers show good moral character. This is very important for U.S. citizenship. Do you have any questions for me?
Thank you, officer.
Now, we will begin the reading and writing portion of your naturalization test. This part checks your ability to read and write in English. For the reading test, I will show you a few sentences, and you will need to read them aloud correctly. For the writing test, I will ask you to write a few sentences that I dictate to you. You need to read and write each sentence accurately. If you make a mistake, I will give you another chance. Do you understand what you will need to do?
Yes, I understand.
Are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay. Please read the sentence on the tablet.
Why do people come to America?
Great job. You have passed your reading test.
Thank you, officer.
Now we're going to move on to the writing portion. Please write this sentence. People come to United States to be free. Excellent. You have successfully passed both the reading and writing portions of the test.
Thank you, officer.
Let's go over a few questions to know about your moral character. These questions are very important. So, everything you say must be true. Have you ever been involved in any organizations or groups that advocate violence or discrimination?
Absolutely not.
Have you ever committed domestic violence, abuse, or neglect?
No.
Have you ever given false or misleading information to any U.S. government official while applying for an immigration benefit or any other official matter?
No. I've always been truthful.
Have you ever lied to avoid military service or public duty?
No, officer.
Have you ever signed any contracts in the U.S. that caused problems later?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever failed to attend a court hearing or immigration appointment without a valid reason?
No, never.
Have you ever been involved in prostitution, human trafficking, or sexual offenses?
Absolutely not.
Have you ever helped someone commit fraud or misrepresentation in any official process?
No.
Do you understand that good moral character is required to become a U.S. citizen?
Yes, I understand.
Have you ever failed to support your children or spouse financially?
No. I always provide support.
Have you ever failed to pay taxes or filed late intentionally?
No, officer.
Did you register with the Selective Service if required?
Yes, officer. I am ready.
Have you ever served in the military of a foreign country?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever assisted anyone trying to overthrow any government in the United States or your home country?
No, never.
During any of your trips abroad, did you ever engage in illegal activities?
Absolutely not.
Do you confirm all your answers today are true and complete?
Yes, I confirm.
Do you understand your responsibilities as a U.S. citizen, paying taxes, following laws, serving on a jury if called, and supporting your family?
Yes, I do.
Have you ever been called for jury duty?
Not yet.
Do you believe you meet that standard of moral character?
Yes, I do.
Do you respect and obey the laws of the United States?
Yes, I do.
Have you ever been involved in any civil lawsuits or legal disputes?
No.
Do you contribute to your community in any way outside of work?
Yes. I volunteer at local health fairs and participate in neighborhood cleanup events.
Do you believe in equal rights and opportunities for all people, regardless of race, religion, or gender?
Yes, absolutely.
Have you ever intentionally avoided paying debts or financial obligations?
No, never.
Do you consider yourself a responsible and law-abiding person?
Yes, I do.
Have you ever been involved in any fraud, scams, or financial misconduct?
No, officer.
Have you ever been denied a visa or entry to another country?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever been involved in identity theft or cybercrime?
No.
Have you ever received a formal warning or probation from a court or law enforcement agency?
No, officer.
Do you promise that everything you said is true?
Yes, I promise.
Have you ever received public assistance that you were not entitled to?
No, officer.
Have you ever sponsored any relatives for immigration to the United States?
Yes, officer. I am ready.
Have you ever acted as a guarantor for anyone who violated U.S. laws?
No, never.
Have you ever received public assistance or government benefits?
No.
Have you ever faced discrimination or harassment?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever assisted someone in avoiding law enforcement?
Absolutely not.
Have you ever knowingly submitted false information on an official form?
No, never.
Have you ever had conflicts with neighbors, coworkers, or family that escalated to law enforcement involvement?
No, officer.
Have you ever helped someone immigrate to the U.S. illegally or provide false documentation?
Absolutely not.
Now we will discuss some complex situations to assess your moral character and attachment to the U.S. Have you ever had a family member visit you from abroad for an extended period?
No, officer.
Have you ever financially supported a family member living abroad?
Yes, officer. I am ready.
Have you ever signed legal documents or contracts in another country while being a U.S. permanent resident?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever faced legal issues with property or tenants?
No, never.
Have you ever experienced an emergency abroad that required contacting U.S. authorities?
No.
Have you ever helped someone legally immigrate to the U.S.?
Yes, officer. I am ready.
During your travels abroad, have you ever been detained, questioned, or fined by foreign authorities?
No, never.
Are you willing to give up allegiance to all other countries, including Argentina?
Yes, officer. I am ready.
Are you ready to defend the Constitution and laws of the United States?
Yes, absolutely.
Do you understand that after taking the oath, you will become a U.S. citizen?
Yes, officer. I am ready.
Do you understand your new rights and responsibilities?
Yes, to vote, obey the law, pay taxes, and serve the community.
Do you have any reservations about the oath?
No.
Would you like to share anything else?
Yes, I am honored and grateful to become a U.S. citizen. I want to contribute to this country that has given me opportunity, stability, and freedom.
Very good. Congratulations! You have completed your citizenship interview. Here's a copy of your test results.
Thank you.
I will submit your application for approval after proper verification. And we'll email you with details regarding your naturalization ceremony. Do you have any questions?
No, I don't. Thank you again.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.
Same to you. Good day.
Thank you.